What is a betting exchange? Meaning and how it works. A betting exchange does not work like a traditional sportsbook. The key is understanding back bets, lay bets, user-driven markets, and why a betting exchange prices outcomes differently from a sportsbook. The simple meaning of a betting exchange. A betting exchange is a platform where people can place bets against each other, and understanding how the market works does not make the result predictable. The big difference from a traditional sportsbook. In a traditional sportsbook, the bookmaker offers the odds. The platform is not usually taking the opposite side of every bet in the same way a bookmaker does. Backing is the side most people understand first. Backing means betting that something will happen. The person chooses an outcome, risks a stake, and receives a payout if the outcome happens. Laying is where exchanges become different. Laying means betting that something will not happen. This can confuse beginners because laying a bet is not always as simple as risking one small stake. Matching is what makes the exchange work. A betting exchange depends on matching. If not, the bet may remain unmatched, partially matched, or not happen at all. Liquidity is more important than it sounds. Liquidity means there is enough money available in the market for bets to be matched at reasonable prices. That matters because an exchange is not only about the odds you want. Why odds move on a betting exchange? Odds on an exchange can move because users are constantly offering, accepting, and changing prices. A person may feel they need to act quickly before the price changes again. Commission changes the real result. Many betting exchanges charge commission on net winnings, although the exact structure depends on the platform. A bet may look attractive before fees, but the final result can be different after commission. What people mean by trading on an exchange. Some people talk about trading on a betting exchange. If the market moves in their favor, they may try to reduce risk or lock in a result before the event ends. Why exchanges can feel more advanced. Betting exchanges can feel more complex than regular sportsbooks because there are more moving parts. More options can also create more ways to misunderstand risk. Legality depends on location. Betting exchanges are not legal everywhere. This matters because a platform being visible online does not automatically make it legal or safe in a specific location. Risks that are easy to miss. The first major risk is misunderstanding liability. Knowing the mechanics does not remove the risk. Responsible gambling still comes first. A betting exchange may feel analytical, but the responsible gambling principles are the same. Limits should be set before betting, not during emotional decisions. The clearest way to understand it. A betting exchange is a marketplace for bets between users. A betting exchange may offer more flexibility than a traditional sportsbook, but it does not remove risk